Hi, I'm JB88 Keys, and today I'll be mixing baking soda with 4 different types of vinegar. I have pomegranate vinegar, cleaning vinegar, distilled white vinegar, and apple cider vinegar. Now first we're going to need a spoon, which is like this one, and then we're going to put a tablespoon of baking soda in each one. Well, not quite. Well, yeah, tablespoon in each one. And what I'm testing out is how far each one will kind of go up, and which one will the bubbles go the furthest. So now since I have since I have baking soda in each one, we're gonna test out our vinegar. So first, let's do apple cider vinegar. So pour it in here, and it kind of rises. What did you do? It exploded. Next, we're going to use distilled white vinegar. Okay, and distilled white vinegar exploded, but not as much as apple cider vinegar. Now we're going to test out cleaning vinegar with the baking soda. And the cleaning vinegar did not explode whatsoever. It only made tiny bubbles, but it didn't do anything because it's meant for cleaning, and it can't really explode because it has soaps in it. And now we're going to use pomegranate vinegar. So it seems like apple cider vinegar explodes. Wait, no, not yet. Seems like apple cider vinegar and pomegranate vinegar are at a tie. So those ones exploded the most. Thank you for watching. Bye.